What's up, goodies? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to achieve this hairstyle with just as low as $20. But before we get started, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for when anytime I drop a video. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna start off by saying that Jesus take the wheel, because you look a hot damn mess, Stephanie. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. So anyway, let's get into this video. If you guys see me mumbling and moving my mouth in this video, I attempted to record this video and not do a voiceover, but guess what? We're here doing a voiceover, so just listen. Yeah, you have to listen. Anyway, to start off this ponytail, I was just trying to see, because I have not worn a ponytail in so long since I've been fully natural again. So right now I'm just brushing out my little natural baby hairs, invoking them or whatever. And I don't know why I had to brush it like that, but that's what I did. I brushed it. And then after that, I'm going to be taking my Suave detangler to just make sure that my hair is bearable to brush through and I'm not causing any breakage or whatever. You know, that's the natural thing to do. Detangle, put a little water and spray. So yeah, just watch. So since I've decided exactly what it is that I wanted to do to my hair and how high I wanted the ponytail to be, the two products that I am going to be using is the Eco Styler gel inside of the gold container and the Got to Be glue inside of the black tube. And what I did was I used the Eco Styler to just mold up the ponytail, and then the black Got to Be glue was to seal it, making sure baby girl, you're not going nowhere, don't move, I got you holding covered. One thing I did forget is after you mold your ponytail, tie your hair down if you don't have a sit under blow dryer, because I don't have a sit under blow dryer, and most likely some of you don't have one as well as me. I don't know, but just after you get your ponytail where you want it to be, put that blow dryer on, especially if you're fully natural. But if you're not fully natural and you still got a little straight ends or whatever, or if you got a perm or whatever, you don't gotta do that. You can skip that part. Your hair gonna hold. But naturals, look at the Indian man in the back being rude. That's all he liked to do, be rude. Alright, ladies, get your ponytail how you need to get it, as slick as possible. As y'all can see, I was struggling because I have never ever experienced such a hard time in trying to get a ponytail with this damn hair I got on my head. So I did braid it all the way down. And also what I do next, because I'm trying to keep the talking as minimum as possible, I did take the black strip and I used the spritz. I think it's called Pump It Up Spritz, I believe. I'll list it down in the description. I used the Pump It Up strips. I use a Pump It Up spray to like mold everything together, my hair, and even to seal the black strip around my braid to protect my hair when I applied the glue. Oh, look at Mamie in the back, his little head. Now this is where your budget comes into play. That hair there is only $7.99 and I purchased 2 packs, so in total I spent like $15 for the 2 packs because you know there's taxes. So what I do now is I take the glue and I just put it right straight the middle, because if you sit there and you put the glue on the tracks, you're gonna make a mess. So just put it in the middle, not too much like what I did. As you can see, like it was going down a little bit. So put it in the middle of the braid. Make sure that it's just on the strip of itself. Make sure that you cover it and protect your hair very carefully with that black wrapping strip. That hair was $7.99 in my local beauty supply store. There are a lot of synthetic ponytails for like $7.99, $8. They even go up to $20. But because this is a budget video and I needed to do this hairstyle underneath $20, I received it, I conquered. Okay. So I'm just gonna wrap the hair around the ponytail and I'm gonna speed that up for y'all because nobody don't want to see nobody take long to wrap up a little piece of hair. And bam, just like that, it's wrapped. So I did use a pack and a half of hair. And of course, we're just going to seal that glue and make sure it dries thoroughly with the Pump It Up spray. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. Yeah. So I had to tie down my hair because let me tell y'all something. The waves started to seep in and I really didn't want no waves. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to wrap my hair around the track. So take out like a good amount or take out how much you want it. If you want it to be thick, if you want it to be thin, it's up to you. Just do whatever floats your boat, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm taking a piece. I'm going to take the flat iron and straighten it. But my flat iron is on low because this is synthetic hair. If you put it on high, your weave will burn, okay? So after you straighten it, just take it and wrap it around and mold it down with the spritz and add, you know, a couple of pins to make sure that it's super secured. So now this should be like the easiest part of the video. It is actually the bubbles that you make. I call it a genie ponytail. I don't know why they call it bubbles, because this is genie inspired. Like, as soon as I went by my own house, she's like, okay, genie. Yes, that's what it is, a genie ponytail. So that's what we're gonna call it. This genie ponytail, you just take the rubber bands and, you know, you put it as far or as close as you want it to be. I didn't really want mine to be that close because the ponytail was not that long. This ponytail is only 22 inches. Maybe next style I'll probably do something long. I don't know. I haven't been feeling like long and tall lately. I've been feeling like, you know, short, medium length. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, you could just watch it. It is a tutorial. You just watch and learn. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the ponytail look. It's cute, isn't it? And I attempted to do my baby hairs, but unfortunately I failed. I cannot do my ponytail on camera. I did everything else on camera but the baby hairs. I had to do it off camera. I tried. Your baby hairs is not my baby hairs, so get your baby hairs together and I'll get mine together. So you just do yours how you do yours. I do mine how I do mine, okay? So yeah, I really appreciate you guys for all your support. And guess what, everyone? I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited. This is a big milestone for me. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So just stay tuned. Keep on supporting, keep on subscribing, and keep on watching all of my videos. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And this is the end of me talking because I'm tired of hearing myself talk. Bye-bye.